So this guitar came in with a bad pickup, we're thinking. We're gonna show you how to test it though, just in case. We're gonna get a multimeter, set it to 20K ohms. And first thing I like to do is grab a little cable, instrument cable, plug it into your jack. Make sure your volume's maxed out, all the tones are up. Put it on the pickup setting where the pickup that you think is bad. In this case, we think the middle's bad. We're gonna go ahead and put the ground onto the sleeve here and the lead wire on the tip. No reading on the meter here in the middle position, which we think is bad. If I flip the switch over to the bridge, I'm getting a reading of 5.87. If I go up to the neck, I'm getting this 5.8 right there as well. Middle, 0. So pickup's probably not good. But that's just the first test. Take it a step further. We'll flip the pick guard over here. Nice and tight. All right. We'll do the same thing, but this one we're gonna go directly to the lead, so it's bypassing the jack and other things that could be wrong. The middle pickup is gonna be the middle lead on this connection, and then we'll ground one. Same thing, no reading. Bridge pickup, 5.9. Neck, 5.8. It looks to me like the middle pickup's bad and needs to be replaced. And it's a quick and easy way to tell if you need to do that or not, or if you got a wiring issue. If you have a wiring issue, it would be, you'd get a read on the pickup, and then you need to figure out where it's not working.